I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Batocera versus RetroBat. Let's dive into their core differences. Both are fantastic solutions for consolidating your retro game library, offering a streamlined experience for playing classic titles. Batocera operates as a dedicated operating system, transforming your device into a retro console. RetroBat, on the other hand, integrates seamlessly with your existing Windows installation. We will examine their unique features, ease of use, and ideal scenarios to help you make an informed choice for your ultimate retro gaming setup. Batocera shines as a dedicated install and play operating system. You simply flash it to a drive, and you are ready to go, often requiring minimal setup. It supports a vast array of hardware, from small, single-board computers like the Raspberry Pi to more robust personal computers, making it incredibly versatile. With an extensive collection of emulators and systems pre-configured, Batocera offers a straightforward path to enjoying your favorite retro games, making it ideal for those seeking a dedicated, hassle-free retro console experience. RetroBat provides a different approach, functioning as a powerful front-end that runs on top of your Windows operating system. This means you retain full access to your Windows environment while still enjoying a dedicated retro gaming interface. It excels with its comprehensive scraping tools, which automatically download artwork, videos, and game information, creating a visually rich library for users who prefer the flexibility of Windows and want to leverage their existing hardware without a full operating system change. RetroBat offers a highly integrated and user-friendly solution. When deciding between Batocera and RetroBat, consider your primary goal. If you want to transform a device into a dedicated retro gaming console with minimal fuss, Batocera is likely your best bet. However, if you wish to maintain your Windows operating system and integrate a powerful retro gaming front-end, RetroBat is an excellent choice. Think about your existing hardware and how much control you want over the underlying system. Both platforms deliver fantastic retro gaming experiences. The superior option truly comes down to your individual needs and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.